Stop YouTube. Market opens in 20 seconds. See what happens. The S&P swept out some highs. Nasdaq swept out some highs during high impact news at 8:30. Marked out news data highs. We retraced into this 15-minute gap on ES. And we did break above this high. Oh no, not this one though. See what price wants to do. Honestly, what I would want to happen, especially since we're gonna chill out with the war a little bit now, and especially since the high time frame is extremely bullish, since the market's been fixing itself after the war. What I would want to happen is sweep all these 1 hour lows, break structure to the upside or inverse a gap, retracement, and then buying power to the upside. But market can do whatever the hell it wants, to be honest. Let's see what happens. 8:30. Swept out this low. Swept out this 5-minute low. Looks like we're going to break structure to the upside if we have a retracement. See if we have any other news. I've got a bit at 10 o'clock. Some medium impact news. Swept out 5-minute highs. Let's also keep in mind we swept out this 5-minute low, meaning if we break upwards, retrace, go on a lower time frame, see more buying power. And we also swept out this low here. If we break upwards, because we haven't yet, then we can look for a retrace and buying power. This could have been a sweep. Well, it was a sweep, but we had no big structure to the downside. Neither of this. So this could just be a massive sweep. So this setup is looking a bit invalidated, I won't lie to you. This sweep at 8:30. This sweep's looking good if we break upwards. And then if we have a retracement, buying power to the upside on the 1 minute, then we can look for buys to sweep out this new daily highs. I'm pretty sure Nasdaq is the more bullish index. See what happens. We have to wait till that 5-minute candle breaks. Thing is, we could be retracing now, but swept out these data highs. If that's behind, it's okay. Okay, now we're getting some movement after sweeping out those highs. Let's see what the S&P did. Didn't end up sweeping out those highs, but we can count these lows. This 5-minute low sweep. So if we break below, if we break structure to the downside, have a retracement, go on the 1 minute time frame for look for another breakdown, then we can target the London lows. Please break structure. Be bloody well perfect. Doesn't look like it will. Oof. Okay, both indexes are doing something completely different from each other. We have two sweeps. We have only first steps of my setup, no second step. We have no confirmation. Okay, the thing is we need a break. We need a break to the downside. Okay, we have also a potential bearish SMT divergence. Which tells us the S&P is going to be more bearish than Nasdaq. So this is looking like the trade I took about 3 days ago. We spotted an SMT, we broke structure to the downside, we had a 1 minute retracement, selling power to the downside to sweep out lows. That's it for break structure. Are we going to continue higher to sweep out 1 hour Asia highs, or what's happening? The S&P is looking like it'll break structure to the downside, but Nasdaq is kind of fluffing around, I won't lie to you. Maybe it needs to sweep out Asia highs before continuing lower, which I'm perfectly okay with, because don't mind waiting. We only take trades when both indexes are aligning up and they're both showing the same type of movement. Alright, we'll see what happens, because we swept out this high and we swept out these lows. So if we break structure upwards, then we'll look for retracement, 1 minute time frame, buying power, hit these other lows. But we also could be just sweeping out these Asia highs before continuing lower. We just have to chill, wait, chill. Come on. Let's see if we break below this low. We have to wait for the 5 minute candles to close. Still got a full minute. Got this low here that we need to break below. On Nasdaq, which I don't think we will. And the S&P, I have more faith that we're going to break below it. What beautiful price action we're having. If we break below it, I'll be a bit more confident, I won't lie. 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was close. I mean, I would take a trade off an S&P divergence and a confirmation confluence, but I want a retracement first. If we retrace into equilibrium, and then we'll hop in a 1 minute time frame to see more selling power, then yeah, for sure short on the S&P. Unless we close this 5 minute candle to create a fair value gap and we retrace into it and then show more selling power on the 1 minute time frame, that'll work too. See it. Retracement. It's looking like the exact same trade that I took on Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Looking like that exact same trade. S&P divergence, break structure downwards, retracement, selling power on the 1 minute. Easy trade, free money. We are in equilibrium on Nasdaq. Let's see what price does here. If we break below this low, we'll sell. That's for sure. Might retrace into equilibrium before we go lower on ES, because we already have on Nasdaq. If we break below this low, where'd it go? Oh, we're about to invest a gap actually on Nasdaq. And if we break below this low, we're for sure selling. Looks like we're about to invest a gap. See if we break below this low. If we don't, I'm not taking a trade. So we broke structure. We invest a gap on the 1 minute. We're gonna sweep out London lows hopefully. Might stop loss right here above the second high down to and then lower. Of course, honestly, I'd expect a retracement. Still. But we may just sweep out this 1 hour, this 1 minute high before continuing lower. Or if we break structure, we'll probably hit equilibrium and then continue lower. Because we swept out, we spotted an SMT divergence, we broke structure to the downside on the 5 minute, we retraced to equilibrium, and we showed more selling power to the downside on the 1 minute time frame. It's pretty easy. We inverse this gap, we're in equilibrium right now on NASDAQ. As if this wasn't like the perfect break. Huh, 6996. Some chill vibes. You have to remember we got these lows here as well. Damn, NASDAQ is acting weird. Super weird. Maybe NASDAQ needed to sweep out this high before continuing lower. We also got like news at 10 o'clock, so there's a possibility we may consolidate till 10 o'clock. Because price is doing a whole lot of nothing right now. 30-minute lows that we're probably going to sweep out. Already swept it out on NASDAQ. The next low that we have on NASDAQ is the 1 hour low. The next low of significance. Sorry. The next low of significance is this 1 hour low. But we could potentially reverse off this 30-minute. I think we're going to sweep out this 1 hour low for sure. It's a London low as well during the London session. Yeah. We break structure downwards, I think. Like this ain't looking too cool, I won't lie. Hopefully it's just a sweep, nothing else. Just hoping it's not a break, it'll just be a sweep, not 1 minute. So yeah, we're looking like we're gonna consolidate for until 10 o'clock. I introduce you to my friends, girlfriends. You ain't interested in making friends. Talking about you wanna cook for a nigga in the kitchen, can you make amends? At least we know you got the cakes on you, girl. You should probably stick the bacon in. Working this crowd like the rubber shoe. I swear that I'm not trying to smother you. I got to know a whole other you, but let's not forget how I discover you. We ain't even gotta mention that. Any nigga try and trouble you, we gon' find out that it's on site like www. On site like .com, put a baby in you a hot mom. Yeah, ask me if I could've swept out this one that high. Not at all. Not at all. Straight up nothing. I found a new muse. That's bad news. Just shooting lower already, bro.
God knows how we done it. Drugs, parties, all nighters. Was beautiful in the moment, girl. Yes, of course. I never noticed you ain't had a minute to breathe. 0 to 100 disclaimers, you ignore them. Don't act like you don't know why you're sick. It's all this motion, girl. Let's be honest.
Surely we reverse after swooping out this high.
The world still goes round and round and round and round and round.
Another doji candle, great. Oh, at least we break below, break structure downwards at least. Oh no, Nasdaq. Still gives me a bit of hope. Got this gap down here. Need it inverse to continue lower.
Say you trust the process, but trusting me is the hardest. My record far from flawless. Fuck it, see I don't trust myself. Paranoia, familiar with a feeling is cold.
Hopefully we don't reject from touching it. Hopefully we just completely inverse it and disrespect it. My god. We're probably just gonna consolidate until 10 o'clock. Around this price range. To 10 o'clock. Hopefully that doesn't just like spike upwards. That would not be cool. Hopefully we don't break above this high on the 5 minute, that'd suck too. But like, I feel like I don't know, I feel like we should be sweeping out this, going down here. I feel like we should be going higher. There we go. That's what I fucking thought. And I doubt we're just gonna stop there. Like, we're just fully teasing us for like 5 whole minutes, man. Just stuck in one price range. That's not gonna. Hopefully, it doesn't waste my time now. Surely inverse the gap, please. Please inverse the gap. Please us. Jesus pieces. Swept out 1 minute lows on Nasdaq. 10 seconds, just maintain this gap. Thank you. That gives me a bit more confidence now. Was it a break? Tis wasn't. Swept out this low here. Hopefully we don't reverse after sweeping out 30 minute lows. I think we would want to get London lows, and it's a 1 hour low as well. It's about to tap into 30 minute lows. When it does, like honestly, if it goes all the way back to break even, I might just have to call it. We can't reverse off this 30 minute low. We have to completely just eradicate, spike downwards to London lows. tapping into the imbalanced price range, the fair value gap here. Can understand why it was a big candle down. Surely you don't invest the gap, by the way. Okay, it's looks like we're not gonna invest it. Gives me a bit more confidence that we're gonna we'll probably come down to the 30-minute low. It shouldn't reverse off this, I don't think it would. It may. Surely we don't invest this gap, bro. We won't. Bro, Nasdaq is almost at that 1 hour low, man. What the hell? Probably just came to sweep out new set of highs. Still haven't inversed that gap yet. We just probably just came to sweep out that new set of high. No gap. Might have to exit the trade when Nasdaq reaches that 1 hour low. Okay, we might have to sweep out this high before we continue lower. We still haven't inversed this gap yet. Bro. Yeah, we inverse the gap now. It's not like that's not too good. We'd have to break below this low. What weird price action we have today.
some scratch from the shit that I'm recording. In Memphis smoking blacks, tryna act like I enjoy it. And Maurice Francois, bowl what I'm sporting. And most death gave me like a rat for performing. Crib I got now made me think of when I had to put some money on the mortgage. This don't feel like home anymore. It's just walls, doors, and floors that only I can afford. Remember when it used to mean more, mean more. I got money in the top drawer. It ain't much, but we not poor. You're mine and I'm yours. Like a broke couple, we on one accord for sure. I remember pulling up at Top, seeing Quincy Jones, nigga talking to me like he proud. I remember.
This is not cool.
And he sued the fucking guys and he ducking until now. I remember. Remember Reese staying at the house, then she left me for my dog like she never took the vow. I remember my cousin Ryan fronted me up.
I take partial profits whenever Nasdaq sweeps out this 1 hour low, which will hopefully be at the same time S&P does sweep out this 30 minute low. That's what I'll do. Till now, I was living on a cloud. I was quiet as a mouse. I was in a club getting lost in the crowd. Wasn't doing what I wanted to, I do what was allowed. I remember fighting over Monaco with Jason. I remember only knowing Andre and Jason. I remember buying all the iceberg from Jason. That's 3 different Jasons. My life like the Matrix. Even got on 106 and part with replacement. My mama was my manager, my uncle was my agent. Dr. Dre sent a nigga home, that took patience. 4 Grammys to my name, 100 nominations. Esperanza sparred and was getting all the praises. I'm trying to keep it humble, I'm trying to keep it gracious. Who give a fuck, Michelle Obama put you on a playlist. Then we never hear from you again like it was taken. Who the CEO of Universal, they mistaken. Cause Google saying Lucian, but that just doesn't make sense. Who filling up the piggy bank, who bringing home the bacon. This shit don't come on vinyl, I'm still record breaking. How could I forget, how could I forget? I was on a Greyhound way before the jet. Buffalo, New York was like the furthest I could get. At the Walden Galleria, trying to make the money stretch. Student price card and a York, they'll connect. Whole time, Courtney Smith was keeping me in check. Try and find an inch of the city I ain't stepped in. If it's war, I lay my life down for the set then. Yeah. And I put that shit on Maz and that nigga was my best friend. Yeah. And I put that shit on Johnny Blinn, that nigga was my best friend. Right. And I put that shit on Richard, that nigga was my best friend. Hey. Yeah. Broke his right hand, still took a fight with his left hand. I remember. Please break below this low. Such shit price action, man. So shit. It's just like slowly going lower. Because I have to manage half my position when we sweep out this 30 minute low. Or this 1 hour low on Nasdaq. Bro, can ES just catch up already, bro? Like, it's supposed to be the more bearish index, man. Holy shit. Catch up, bro. Fucking slowpoke. Actual slowpoke. Manage half my position. Let me sweep out this 1 hour low. Hurry up, come on. Bro. Break below this low as well on the 1 minute side. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go lower. Bro. Fucking shit price action, man. What the hell? So bad. Such bad price action. Swept up 1 minute high. Broke above it. Swept out another high. And another high. And another high. Alright, well now we actually have to reverse now, otherwise it's GG. We legit have to reverse now. Please reverse. So lame. Bro. Like, how? So fucking lame. I don't know, bro. Like, we spotted an SMT divergence where Nasdaq flipped out a high and the ES didn't. What did we just reverse off this, hitting this 5 minute low? Bro, like, it's literally 45 minutes into market open and we haven't swept out any fucking objective, like any objective yet. We're just straight up fucking consolidating, bro. What the fuck is this? Nah. I need to chill. So annoying. How does this happen? So crazy. SMT divergence, bearish SMT divergence. We broke structure downwards. This could be the retracement. How we're doing now, actually. It's a pretty deep one. Man, that's fucking crazy, bro. How does that even happen? Bearish SMT. Like, is it tilt trading if I just re-enter, by the way? After investing this gap? Like, dude. How does that happen? $44.29 lost. It's okay. Oh well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. YouTube, shout out Kick, blah blah blah.